Ublallotak, Conwick busy. Today is Monday. What day? All day today. Let's be responsible. Always try, do our best, cooperate with others, and let's treat everyone with respect, including ourselves. Eligibility and what it means for you. For this assembly, we're going to talk about the 3 levels of eligibility and what they mean for you. So these 3 levels are the state level, also known as the Alaska School Activities Association, the district, and Breivik Mission School. So, the purpose of the Alaska School Activities Association is to provide educational experiences not otherwise provided in the curriculum and to encourage high standards of sportsmanship and citizenship. There are 5 big things we're looking at in order to be eligible according to the Alaska School Activities Association. These are: number 1, transfer students may be required to wait 1 year before becoming eligible unless they have moved with their parents. Number 2, you must be under the age of 19. Number 3, you must have a physical. Now remember, when you get a physical, they are good for 18 months. Number 4, you must complete 10 days of practice before competition in a sport is allowed. And finally, number 5, you must be actively working in a minimum of 5 content areas or equivalent that lead towards graduation. For most everyone here in the school, the big thing to remember is if you don't have a physical, you need a physical. You have to have 10 days of practice before you're allowed to compete in a competition of that sport. So for instance, if you have 10 days of practice in basketball, you are eligible to attend that weekend competition. And remember, for number 5, where you must be actively working a minimum of 5 content areas, attend your classes, work towards graduation. That's all it takes for the state level and for the Alaska School Activities Association to deem you eligible. Next on the list, we have district eligibility, and this is the eligibility that everyone is familiar with that comes every 4 weeks, or at the end of the quarter and at mid-quarter. Remember, no matter where you're at or what you're doing, everyone here, from the staff to the students, believe in you. In order to qualify for district eligibility, there are 3 key things every student in grades 6 through 12 need. For grades 6 through 12, you need 80% attendance, no Fs, and a 2.0 GPA for each 4-week eligibility period. Now, for our elementary grades, these are grades not 6 through 12. You need 80% attendance still, and you need to be doing academically well in your classes. This means you're getting your schoolwork and homework done on time, and you're passing your classes. Now, I do need to add, if a student is suspended, they cannot travel or participate in student activity events that entire week of their suspension. And students must be on time the day of travel on the day of a sports event in order to compete. Excused tardies must be approved. As I leave you with this magnificent Monday, here is our act of kindness challenge for today. Say hello to at least 3 people you say today. And with that, I hope everyone has a magnificent Monday.